My topic is online benefit of digital marketing. EXPAIN and go to the top. Let's start. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing comprises all marketing efforts that use the internet. These include digital channels such as search engines, email, websites, social media, etc., that can be used to connect with current and prospective customers. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the process of marketing products or services to potential customers via digital channels and the internet. Digital marketing has the same goals as traditional marketing. The only difference is the medium used to convey the marketing message. In a nutshell, digital marketing refers to marketing through an electronic device or the internet. It's another word for internet marketing. Businesses leverage various digital marketing activities such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, SMM, email marketing, search engine marketing, SEM, content creation, and more to promote their brand to their potential consumers or to retain their customers. Benefits of digital marketing. There are many types of digital marketing. Explaining step by step. 1. Reaching a global audience. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is that it has removed all sorts of geographical barriers. You can open your doors to foreign countries and offer your services to customers living miles away. You can market to them with just a click and create awareness to people who otherwise had no chance of knowing about your existence. While we do know that considering a global audience is a very huge number, that problem can be solved with the next benefit of digital marketing. Traditional marketing is restricted by geography, and creating an international marketing campaign can be hard, expensive, as well as labor-intensive. However, digital marketing happens on the internet, which means that the reach you can achieve with it is immense. Even a very small local business owner has the ability to reach an international audience with an online store. This would never be possible with traditional marketing or would cost a whole lot of money to do so. This online accessibility has opened many growth opportunities for businesses to explore. The combination of global 2. Local reach. Digital marketing. While global reach is a significant advantage of digital marketing, it also improves local visibility, which is especially important if your business relies on nearby customers. Local SEO and locally targeted ads can be beneficial for companies trying to bring more customers to their doors. Think of the reach you can get to a whole neighborhood with digital marketing versus the reach it would take you to print out flyers and distribute them around. 4. Increased ROI. Digital marketing. We consider this as the biggest benefit of digital marketing. In the end, all business activities boil down to the money they require. With the extensive reach offered by digital marketing, the costs are comparatively affordable and not a burden. The investment in digital marketing is significantly lesser than in traditional marketing, sometimes even zero. Hence, the ROI on digital marketing efforts is considerably higher than traditional marketing. This also allows small-scale businesses and startups to make optimum use of digital marketing without causing very heavy stress on their budgets. 5. Lower-cost digital marketing. Whether you want to promote your business locally or internationally, digital marketing provides you with cost-effective solutions. It allows even the smallest companies to compete with larger companies using highly targeted strategies. Most of these strategies won't even cost anything at all to start with, such as SEO, social media, and content marketing. However, not every form of digital marketing is suitable for every business, and some may even have more costs than others. A business can find appropriate solutions based on its marketing goals. 6. Trackable and measurable results in digital market. In our opinion, any company strategy is a waste of time if you cannot measure your performance. This basically means making efforts in the blind. Compiling a strong strategy and implementing it is just half the battle. Tracking your performance, measuring your success/failure, and taking corrective steps is the ultimate goal. With platforms like Google Analytics and Google Search Console, you can track the performance of your digital marketing campaigns end-to-end. That's how you decide what works best for you and continue those strategies. 7. Easy to learn digital market. While there are many aspects of digital marketing that you need to learn, It is fairly easy to get started with. It gets more complex from the nature of the goals and the scale of the campaigns. However, it is all a matter of finding the right strategy that works for your business. 8. Improved conversion rates. Digital marketing. As we saw above, with the help of tracking the performance, we can assess where our maximum sales come in from and accordingly target consumers. Thus, it simply means higher conversion rates as we invest where we are in demand. In traditional marketing, it is difficult to impossible to find out where the lead got converted from, and thus you may be wasting your time on the wrong leads. But with digital marketing, this can be solved by targeting a similar audience that had the maximum leads converted. 9. Effective targeting. Digital market. Even if you don't have a clear idea of your target audience, digital marketing enables you to extract data to see which audiences will work best for you and optimize your campaign around them. There are many different options of targeting, such as through keywords for search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, or through demographic information on social media. This enormous amount of targeting elements at your disposal makes sure that every campaign reaches the right audience. It also helps you to analyze the changing behaviors of customers and modify campaigns for those changes. This ability to understand customers' changing needs quickly is a sure way of success for any company. 10. Increase social currency in digital market. Social currency is ultimately the presence that you have on digital platforms. It is somewhat your digital footprint. With the help of digital marketing, you can consistently increase your social currency, which means your online presence gets bigger and stronger. How is this beneficial? With everyone present online, the more you are visible to people, the higher the chances of your business being noticed, which finally brings in more sales. Like accumulating wealth or currency, collecting your social currency doesn't happen overnight. With consistent efforts, the increased social currency will reap repeated sales and less marketing effort will be needed. Thus, digital marketing is very beneficial to increasing social currency. 11. Multiple strategies. Digital marketing. There are different strategies of digital marketing that can be used by different types of businesses. A B2B business that is interested in gaining international leads may have a totally different strategy than a B2C local business selling clothes. While some companies can benefit more easily with content marketing and SEO, others can benefit from conversion-based ad campaigns. The key is to always analyze the results and develop better tactics and methods with time. A well-executed digital marketing strategy is one that changes and adapts quickly as the needs of the business transform. Here are some of the most common types of digital marketing you can choose from. SEO-based content creation, search engine marketing, social paid ads, video marketing, forum engagement, social media marketing, email marketing, local search, remarketing, influencer marketing. 12. Interactive marketing. Digital marketing is all about two-way interaction. Brands interact with their target audience to portray their uniqueness through various digital marketing campaigns. In turn, customers interact, engage, and put forward their interest in that particular brand. Such a benefit of digital marketing is rarely visible in traditional methods. Both brands and customers are aware of their interaction with each other. No potential brand can know the accurate amount of eyes that their billboard has attracted, and if so, how many are actually interested in their product/service. Likewise, customers with a short attention span rarely keep note of the details on a billboard and inquire with the brand later. 13. Multiple content types. Another crucial advantage of digital marketing is the different content types available to showcase your brand online. For a lot of platforms, there is a wide range of content types you can choose from to keep your brand fresh and build effective online campaigns. Unlike traditional marketing, you can more easily reproduce one content to fit as many platforms as you want. Here are some of the most common types of content that you can choose from: blogs, podcasts, emailers, ebooks, visual content, infographics, white papers. 16. Remarketing opportunities. Digital market. With the help of niche and digital marketing, You can send out personalized messages to a similar audience, which increases your chances of converting them into consumers. This process of reaching out to those who have shown interest in your product/service or brand via email, targeted ads, and SMS is known as remarketing. With remarketing, personalization becomes the key to a consumer's mind and helps him remember your business. Email marketing is the best form of remarketing, which lets you formally communicate with your customers but with a personalized message. Often email marketing has seen higher open rates and responses than other platforms. In 2022, with WhatsApp marketing into action, brands use WhatsApp as well for their remarketing campaigns. 14. Scope of A/B testing digital market. One of the greatest features of digital marketing is the ability to test two different ideas for the same campaign. Suppose you were running a digital marketing campaign and you were confused between the creatives of the campaign. With A/B testing, you can run both the creatives to 50/50 of your target audience and see what performed better. This way you can finalize your campaign's creative based on results and not just your instinct or gut. 15. Increased engagement digital market. One of the most important advantages of digital marketing is increased engagement. Digital marketing is designed to be highly engaging by default. Users can share a blog post, like a photo, save a video, or engage with your website via paid ad click. The best part is that all of these actions can be measured. This enables you to create even more engaging posts to increase brand awareness or boost sales. The more you engage online, the more loyal customers you can get. Businesses that use engaging formats effectively in their online strategies have an easier time converting cold traffic to loyal customers. 17. Analytics and optimization digital marketing. Another important advantage of digital marketing is web analytics, which measures the result of digital marketing campaigns in real time. This helps to optimize future campaigns and fix any possible mistakes quickly. Analyzing your digital marketing campaigns also enables you to have the ability to pinpoint every source of traffic and take total control of your sales funnels. 18. Better customer experience digital market. Winning a customer's loyalty is the ultimate win for a company. They are the best marketers for your business. With digital mediums, reaching out to customers who are interested or have complaints about your brand is easier. For those who are interested in your product/service or have inquired about it, you can use remarketing techniques or provide them coupon codes to convert them into sales. Also, brands use chatbots to engage with interested customers 24/7 and answer basic questions to ensure that they don't shift to your competitors in your absence. On the other hand, when a customer has complaints about your brand, you have the chance to showcase your sympathy with the customers and also push forward a brand message that customers are the primary focus. Other than that, it shows that the brand is sensitive to the current scenarios and believes in apologizing whenever they commit a blunder. All of this, holistically, helps customers build a good reputation for the brand within their psychology, which in the long run will convert into repeated sale. 19. Higher engagement digital market. We're all well aware of how people are so interactive and active on social media platforms. This gives them a chance to businesses to post interactive content, engage with their customers, and answer their queries. Customers love when brands listen to them and respond to them effectively. They prefer brands that value their voice. Thus, with the help of social media management and marketing, you can effectively communicate with potential customers and build your relationship and reputation. These were some of the major benefits of digital marketing. If you wish to learn more about it in detail and apply it to your business or work in a firm, register for this online digital marketing course, which will be your best bet. And if you want to get deeper into digital marketing, this MBA in Digital Marketing, PG program can be the perfect start you need. Get in touch with our team of counselors at admissions@ATHE.co for a free guidance and counseling session. Now that we've seen the major benefits of digital marketing, let's see how it benefits different segments and people. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.